So welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine in sound, and most of you have complained that some of the labs are not working. So we'll cover which labs are not working. Also, in case you haven't watched the unboxing video of the Arcade Facilitator swags, I have attached the link in the description. Make sure to check it out and do like the video and subscribe the channel. So we are in the Arcade February month, and these games will be ending very soon. That is, you are around having 8 days remaining. So you can see these are the labs which are not working. First one is the how to use network policy on Kubernetes engine. So error you are getting that the cluster is not deploying, and mostly some of you are getting issue on task number 6 and 5 also. So what you need to do, you need to simply avoid this lab, or if you get the error, you can take the screenshot and mail to support@qwiklabs.com. Now coming over here to the second lab, that is rate limiting with Cloud Armor. So sometimes if you try to start the lab, let me just see. So here it's starting, but in some cases it is not starting. So in that case, what you need to do, wait for some time and try to restart the lab. I think the issue with this lab has been successfully fixed. Okay. Now coming over here to the next lab, that is enter the hero subnet. So let me first of all end this lab. Here most of you are unable to open the Kanban application. So let's see whether this works or not. So if I just copy it over here and just paste on a new tab, and let's see. So yes, it's also working very fine. You can see all the solutions are already live on the channel. You can just navigate to the playlist and check it out. So this is also working. Okay, so try to complete the lab, and if you're facing any other issue, you can comment down below and do like the video and subscribe the channel. And for this lab we are trying, you can just try to mail to the support. They'll fix it and update you. So this was the quick update I wanted to share, and if you want to participate in this events and Qwiklabs Arcade, you can check the video description. All the related videos are there. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.